Clean it up, I want to get my TPMS sensor out of the way. Again, we're going to pretend that we're reusing these, so I'm going to use my T10 Torx to remove the screw. Sensor just slides off. I'm going to gently screw that back in place so I don't lose it. And now I can go ahead and use my cutters to remove that part. I'm going to gently screw that into place so it's ready for me. I'm going to take my cutters and just cut the top edge here. This does go all the way through, so you won't be able to cut all the way through it. There we go. And with my rag in place here, I can just pry down, except this one popped off. We'll try that again. And now I have that piece out. Because I had my rag there, again, no scratches. So I want to show you what the process would be like to rebuild these sensors. Now the first thing you would do is take the TPMS tool and scan this and make sure it actually is functioning. You can order up these replacement valve stems. I got mine through Rock Auto. They were $1 a piece, really cheap. And they come with that and a new screw. So what you would do is take out this old screw here. Take my new valve stem, slide that into place, take my new screw, and then run that up into the bottom of the valve stem. Now that would be ready. Now that would be ready to be installed into the rim, just like we're about to do here with the brand new one. Before we go through the work of installing our new sensor, we want to test it and make sure it is a known good sensor. They can be bad out of the box, or maybe it's one you're reusing. So we're going to do initial sensor test. Yes, Subaru, and we'll just hit test. Hold this up by the sensor antenna, and it grabbed it real quick. Now we can see it's actually reading accurately. Because it's not in a tire, it's only showing 0.19 psi. We can see our sensor ID, 315 megahertz, so we're ready to go. We know we have a good sensor, and we can go ahead and put this into our rim and get ready to mount our tire. So we're going to take our new sensor, we're going to put just a little bit of lubricant on it, tire lube, so that rubber slides into place nicely. Put this into the opening. I've already cleaned that. We'll grab our valve stem installer, thread that down, keeping our sensor nice and even. And now I'm going to put my rag over here so that I don't scratch my rim, and then I'm going to gently pop this into place. I'm going to move this a little closer so that everybody can kind of see how you know when it's actually in place. So I'm going to gently pull down, and you're going to see it kind of pop up. There it goes. Now it's ready to go. Just going to unscrew this, and new sensor is installed, and we verified it is a good sensor.